Good morning. Welcome to online classes of Standard 6 subject Social Science. So lastly we have completed about the materials and constellation, right? So let's begin with our location and the shape of a sphere. Now what is the location and what is the shape of the earth that we need to understand. So let's start. We see the sun and the moon shaking. We see the sun and moon both are shaking. How good it looks. Our earth is also such a sphere. It is a spherical. Our earth is also sphere like sun and moon. Our earth is also a sphere and it is a spherical. It is a flat at both the poles. So it is flat from both the poles. Some astronauts have gone up to the moon. Now who is astronaut was searching about the moon and about the universe. So some astronauts have gone on up to the moon. They have taken earth photograph from there. So by going astronaut there in the moon, they are taking the earth photograph from there. It looked like a giant sphere. It looked like a giant sphere, big sphere it is. Then we are living in a small village or a city. The part of earth which we able to see is very small part of our earth. So we are here standing in the earth and living in the earth. We are seeing the part of the earth. It is very little bit small. But if you go to the moon, it look like a giant sphere. From here it look like a small part of the earth. So we cannot say that the earth is spherical in the shape. Have you ever seen a broken earthen pot? Now what is broken earthen pot? Earthen pot means we are filling the water. Pot is there, water fill pot. That. Have you ever seen? Yes. All have seen only. That is broken. If we will take that broken earthen pot, right? Then the shape will be spherical in the circle only broken pieces. No. It will be converted into the pieces. Divided into pieces. So that pieces won't be in the shape of the circle or spherical. Right? So what actually here it say that if you take a small piece of it in your hand, you cannot imagine that it would have been round. So it will not round. Definitely it will not be round. Thus, taking a small part of the earth does not tell that the whole part is spherical. So we can see the small part only. So we cannot say that the earth is circular in a spherical shape. But now with the help of photograph taken from the moon and space, we can say that there is no doubt about the earth shape. So we have seen that the astronaut from the moon, they are telling that the earth is sphere. So we can, living here, we cannot say that the earth shape is circular round. If we go to the moon and from universe, we can take pictures and through that we can say. So it is no doubt that the earth shape is spherical. Okay. Now, earth is not round like a bowl, but it is like an orange. So it is not like a bowl perfectly. It is like an orange shape. The earth poles are slightly flat and is slightly inflated at the equator. So earth poles are slightly flat. Flat means which are very easily apart flat. So here equator, here see in the picture north pole and south pole, and between what is there? Equator. So they are flat from the equator. The center of the earth is larger than the polar circle. Polar circle, the center of the earth is larger than that circle. We can know that the volume and the weight of the earth. In order to study about earth, it is used to a circular device. So if you want to find the weight, height or anything, we have to use the circular device. That is, see here the globe of the earth. Like this circular device is there to study about the earth. A map of the world is drawn on it. It contains the ocean and important lines are drawn in it. The globe is a small replica of the earth. Globe is small replica means it is a small type, same similar to the earth. See here this globe type structure you have seen in the garden in here Gandhi Bagh. That is what all the world map is drawn. Through that we can see where earth is there, how it looks, what is the position, where the countries are there, all the things are there in that globe. And through that we can find the weight, measure all of things from the globe. With the help of on the circle of the earth you can can show North Pole and the South Pole. So see here in the picture 9.4, what is there? Upward North Pole and downward South Pole is there. So with the help of the globe it can be said that the earth is little towards one side. So from that we can see it is little what means it is moved from one side. So this is the what the actually the picture. See here 9.2, the picture of the earth from the satellite. How it looks? It looks like spherical and it looks darkish in color. Have seen? So up to now, polar star, pole star. There is a star in the sky which always appear in the same direction and in the same place. So this is the definition of pole star. Take the first two lines. There is a star in the sky which always appear in the same direction. Means always, suppose north and always in the north side, in south and always in the south side, and in the same place they are always on the same place. Then how to recognize the star? Then how we can recognize that what is the star and which are the pole star? How we can differentiate between both? So see that if the star which are in the same direction and the same place are known as pole star, and rather than this all are the stars. The pole star can easily be detected with the help of constellation Saptarishi. So constellation means a group of star or a single star. So by that Saptarishi nakshatra we can say that which are the pole star. You will see a bright star while moving in the direction of the fabulous connecting the two stars in front of what? Direction in front of the fabulous star, right? So you see the bright star near that Saptarishi while moving the direction and connecting to star from the Saptarishi. That the pole star. People who travel by sea or who travel in desert can easily find pole star. So at the place of sea or water we can find the pole star very easily, but we cannot find it on the land easily. The direction in which the star appears is north. So what is the direction of pole star? It is north. It will always stick to the north pole and it will be same place only. It is visible only in the northern hemisphere. Due to the stability and nearly circular shape of the earth, it cannot be seen from the southern hemisphere. So we have seen it will be only there at the same place and at the same direction. So in north direction this pole star are there. It can be seen through the northern hemisphere only. Because of stability means they are stable, they cannot move from here and there. So we cannot see that the same star in from the southern hemisphere. This pole star and this all things I will show in the picture also. So here more clearly you will get the idea. Okay. So today we will keep up to here only. Then next lecture we will start with the latitude, longitude. So what is latitude, what is longitude, where this pole star are, how works it is, all we will see in our next lecture. Okay. Thank you children.